Hello friends, this is Hana Home Decor. I hope you're in good health and enjoying my videos. If you are liking the content which I am uploading, please like, share, subscribe and comment for my channel. This is a very small channel and your support is crucial for us. As always, today's video is about amazing home decor ideas. This is related to exterior decor of your home, garden landscaping, or patios for your backyard. Garden landscaping is a process, I say, and when we are going to start it, we should start with a paper pencil plan, and we should make first a plan that how much is the area where you are going to design your garden. Then you should have the idea that where there remains sunshine most of the time, which are the areas where there is lesser sunshine, which area is steep, which is plain, which area has a larger trees. After marking all the boundaries or points which you want to construct, like a pergola, a patio, or a water feature you want to construct, you should mark those points. After them, you can decide your flower beds, where you want to make your flower beds. They are beside the patio or beside your pond. If you want to create some hedges or arcs with flowers and climbers, that area should also be decided beforehand. So you can start planting seeds or plants in that way. You can grow plants in your flower beds on varying lengths. Plants which are shorter should stand first, and longer plants can follow them. You can create little hedges beside the pathways. That will look amazing and beautiful. And you can spread some locally grown seeds of herbs and flowers in those hedges to make them beautiful and colorful. You will definitely be a source of attracting birds, bees, and nature towards your garden. You can plant little heighted plants or flowers in the base of arcs or hedges. You can plant some bushy trees or plants beside corners of your building. They will give them a furnished look. Creating pathways is also an amazing idea of bringing nature to your home. that is on the budget and easy too. With pebbles and gravel, you can create amazing pathways. There you can use wood and stone to use them as stepping stones. Beside your pond or beside your track, you can grow multiple colors of flowers. A variety of flowers in different colors definitely going to give just a tremendous and amazing look to your garden. You can also create a little beach in your garden by simply putting two chairs on your deck with a sun umbrella. You can create just a feel of beach. Beautifully trimmed hedges are going to look amazing and going to define boundaries so beautifully that everything will look just immaculate and beautiful. When deciding the layout of garden, one thing should be kept in mind and which is most important is its maintenance. You should keep in mind at how much time and energy you can give to your garden for maintaining it because they are constantly growing. So plants always require trimming, cleaning and maintenance. When planting seeds or plants, you should know that there are some plants which are seasonal, which you have to grow in their specific seasons, and there are some plants which are annuals. You just have to plant them once and they bloom when there is their season. You can grow seasonal multiple color flowers in your flower beds, and when they are white, or you can use their seeds in another season to grow them again. Beside the entrance of your home, you can place planters or you can create arcs of climbers. Shortness of space is not an excuse for not creating a garden because you can create a garden even with a green wall. If you don't have space for flower beds, you can create your garden with your planters. You can grow amazing flowers in planters and keep them to give a look of garden. The ideas we are bringing you, these are European and English gardens. Some of them have Spanish look. Brick gardens are also amazing. Their tracks are created with bricks and your walls are also created with red bricks. Water fountains are also a specific feature of European or English gardens. You can create little fountains. You can DIY them. Plants are going to give a life to your home. If you're in love with taller plants, then you have to plant smaller or shorter length of plants in their base, and together they will create such a cohesive and amazing garden. And those all parts will create an amazing whole. I hope you are liking the content which we are uploading, and if it is useful to you, you can write us in comment section. If there is something related to home decor but you want to watch, you can write us in comment section and we will definitely bring it in our next video. Green pergolas are amazing for covering your patio and giving a jungle look. You can bring jungle in your home with green climbers. They not only work as shade from sun or rain, they make your patio beautiful and amazing. You can create your small sitting spaces in your garden. A small deck of wood where you can create your patio, or if you are not in love with patio, you can simply place your table and chairs in your courtyard and it will look amazing. If you are short on space, you can create a small green wall and you can grow plants there with drip irrigation. These open air spaces are very important for us to live there and to spend our time with nature so we can get a relief from the stressful life. They give us life and a relief from daily activities. Thanks for staying with us.